The Shenyang J-35 is China's newest stealth fighter, built specifically for naval aviation. Designed to give the People's Liberation Army Navy a modern, carrier-capable fifth-generation jet. Evolving from the FC-31 demonstrator, the J-35 features a compact twin-engine layout, a V-tail folded wings, and reinforced landing gear for carrier operations, plus catapult, launch bars, and a tailhook for arrested recoveries. It's low observable, shaping smooth surfaces, diverterless intakes, serrated edges, and internal weapon bays is intended to reduce radar and infrared signatures during stealth missions, while external hardpoints remain available when stealth is not required. The Jet's sensor suite is centered on an AESA radar combined with electro-optical ear sensors and advanced sensor fusion, giving pilots improved situational awareness and the ability to detect and engage multiple targets at extended ranges. Armament is flexible. The J-35 is reported to carry modern Chinese air-to-air missiles such as the long-range PLACE-15 and short-range PL-10 internally, with provisions for precision strike weapons and anti-ship munitions in the main bay. External pylons expand payload when stealth can be traded for firepower.